Were you a fan of any Alfred Hitchcock movies?
Yes, I really like Vertigo, and I like the birds. I thought my mum was always really frightened of birds, and I thought it was from that movie, but it wasn't. But I think he does a really good job of suspense, and I actually studied Vertigo in film studies in school, which was cool, and we learned all about like his motifs and like all the like the things he did with like the camera, like the trombone shot of like the stairs, and like the swirl in her bun, the actors, like all the little things that he did to like make you think about the main, like all the things he did to add to the story, which you don't like always think of when you're watching it, which I thought was really cool. I think he's just like the master of like suspense, and he does like such a good job.
Because his movies weren't necessarily gory, right?
Yeah.
It was just more the suspense, the eeriness, keeping you on your toes, the ticking clock.
Yeah. Yeah, I think he does a really good job with stuff like that. And I like his movies, and there's no blood or gore or anything, and I still love them. So,
do you think that audiences would respond to that today? I
Yeah.
realize they love him. Sorry.
Yeah, no, I think they would, and I think people like different like subcategories of horror too. Like there's some people who don't like the gore, and then there's some people who like gore, and yeah, I think it just depends on your like taste on what like you want to watch, especially because like his films. Yeah, no, I think it would just depend on what you wanted to watch in that genre.